up, guys? So today is November 27th, 2021. We're currently in Silver City, Linden. We're heading to meet with the officials of the Elite Kayaking Service because we're going kayaking. So we're now leaving Silver City, Linden, and we're about to head there to see what's going on. We're gonna do a mini hiking trip today and kayaking. So I have my tour buddies, the Sam at the back there. We have a new addition. Say something. Kishan is over there. She doesn't want to say anything. Cassie's at the back there, of course, and we have two young ladies over there. Y'all want to say something for the trip?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Keisha and this is Kiona.
Yes.
Skin Teeth Farms.
You love it.
your voice today?
Yes. Yeah. So we're about to leave. We have to reach for 11 and we're very much late. Hopefully we get there on time. So hopefully today is a very, very, very fun day. We're looking forward to having much fun. So we'll see you guys there. Right, so we basically just stepped out to take a look at the Blue Lake. as you can see, the guys are down there and they're dealing with some other clients at the moment. They're getting ready to do their own bit of kayaking, and I think we're up after them. Kishana, how's it that you feel so far about this kayaking? Are you excited?
Yeah.
You are?
I'm gonna fall overboard.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You'll get the hang of it. I'm sure it will be an awesome experience.
In Adventurers Awakening.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Stay as a whole.
The girls are currently having a photo op. You ready?
Ready.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Bread.
Eggs. Oh my gosh.
And that makes hot dog.
This sounds like a very vibrant group. I hear y'all before I see y'all. So what's Tanisha?
I am.
You're Tanisha?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dion.
Nice to meet you, Dion.
And the others? Let me get the name. Samantha.
Kiona. Keisha. Kishana.
Cassie.
So you get 3 K now. Okay. Kiana, Kiona, and Keisha. Alright. This it?
Kishana.
Oh, Keisha. How is that yours? Cassie. Alright. So I see, at least y'all see the other group going out there kayaking. So one of the first things we're doing is the mini hiking. Alright? The mini hiking. You know where we're doing the mini hiking?
Not really.
You look more ready more than all them, that's why I watch you. We're going up this side.
This?
That's gotta be kidding.
This guy can't be serious. Look what he want me climb.
We're going up there. That's why I look away up point. Very easy breezy.
So we are now ready to do the hiking part of the trip. It has started to rain a little, so we were waiting until the rain is past, and now we're about to hike up this little hill here.
Oh my god. Easy here. There we go. That's good. We're doing jumping now.
The videographer that's way at the back.
Shucks, is what I miss. What happened there?
I hope they're catching it now.
Hold on, Sam, you reverse.
Don't worry, I ain't wicked. I purpose to bring you out. I know me walk this way.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe. Oh my gosh!
That's it.
Yeah!
I got video the camera lady.
Come on, look.
Hold on.
That's easy, man.
It's easy, we got no just now. For one, if you fall, get a quick first start videoing you.
If I fall? No,
There
you
you
fall. Almost.
So feel free to take a pic, to take a bite and to take a taste. The fat it is, the red it is, the sweet it is, huh? Or the one in the middle of one. The one looking good. Okay.
Yeah. See, we have two other folks joining us. I'm not sure from where, but hello guys, welcome to our video.
All the way from Georgetown.
Right, we're from the East Bank, so
We're from the East Coast.
okay. So hopefully it is as fun as you expect it to be.
Yeah.
Alright.
Kishana, don't
camera?
Oh my gosh.
Let's look at one place. Let's go, let's go.
The view is amazing from on the top here.
Really?
Yep. You see most of the top.
Yeah. How do we go?
Come on, for go.
Good.
Easy, Kishara.
Okay.
Come on, ladies, you can do it. You can do it. Kishara, do not fall down. Woo! Woo! How's it, Kishara? How's it?
It was fun.
Another one.
Take a 2 minutes if you want.
A truly awesome view.
Take a 2 minutes.
Awesome indeed.
Most definitely.
My heart rate is like this.
So when I hear the breathing levels come down to normal, then I'm going to move on.
It was good.
So we're 90% or 85% to the top. This of course is the more intense spot after this.
Means we're almost there.
Gentle, calm walk to the top here, right?
All
The
right.
thing out there basically is the Blue Lake. And that Blue Lake, I know many persons will say we're going to the Blue Lake in London. But we get 10 Blue Lakes in London. Right? This is
10.
just one. We get one in Richmond Hill, we get 2 in Comarca Mines, we get about 3 in Wismore, Christianburg, Rockstone, all these places. This is the Caracara Blue Lake, one of the most famous ones and where everybody goes to basically when they want to have a nice day out with friends and with family. So back in the day, all this was a flat piece of land. You could have walked across straight to the end like how we walk in the road there. But of course, Linden is a mining town. Linden is a mining town, right? What movies mining Linden?
Bauxite.
Bauxite? He's mining bauxite and other people's business, right? Yeah, Linden is a mining town. We mine bauxite, and of course, bauxite is very, very deep below the earth's surface. So to get it, you have to dig very deep to get the bauxite, just like gold and diamond. But bauxite is even deeper. Bauxite is basically the ore of aluminum or aluminum. So that bauxite is the name is actually aluminum. So to get all that, everything you see around here, all the mud and all this thing we call overburden. That's what they have to remove before they get to the bauxite. So if you look around, you see how high these mountains are. Imagine everything came out of there. So you can imagine how deep there is, right? So, well, of course, you gotta worry because the oceans are very deep, but they're gonna stop you from going on a cruise, right? They're not gonna stop you from going snorkeling and scuba diving. The deeper the better, right?
So this is officially the top.
Just quickly and then we head straight to the car.
According to the tour guide, this is the best view.
Yep. This is one of the best views you'll get on the entire trip. And you're officially on the highest point in Caracara.
Really?
Yep. My friend don't jump in the selfie mode there.
You look what you feel. I'm feeling exhausted.
Don't worry, you'll thank us later.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We're at the top of the
That's
hill
alright.
now.
Yep.
Yeah, true.
I didn't even realize you got this thing on.
Casey, remember when you were down at the bottom, you all watched this mountain and said, who coming up there? No, you see, I tap over quick. That's the trick to mountain climbing. Huh? All right, then give you a quick 2 minutes to take some pictures.
At the highest point, ladies. Sam, how are you feeling?
Okay.
Okay, it's alright. What about you, Cass?
Wow.
Great.
The sweat.
Fiona?
The sweat.
Kishana?
The sweat.
You'll thank us, you'll thank us. Star girl?
Terrific.
Ah.
Awesome.
Right. Like the tour guide said, we are actually at the highest point of the Caracara Hill.
Yep.
And the view is awesome. Have a look at the view.
Oh my God. Are we still in there? No?
Yes, we are.
So feel free to take some
The
pics.
view is awesome. Awesome. Very, very awesome. So that's the reason once we came, we're having an awesome time. We're about to go kayaking next, so meet us at kayaking. Yeah? Pause. So as was mentioned, we're finished with the hiking part of the trip and now we're on to the kayaking. So we're done with Dion and now we're about to head out with
Jalil.
Jalil?
Yeah.
Hi Jalil, nice to meet you. Right. So the girls are all pumped for this muscle. Ooh la la. Kishana, you made it. I am so proud of you. You have no idea. I am extremely proud of you, girl.
You laugh at me? I didn't even know where to put me foot.
You trying to take it easy.
This one's smooth.
It's a mini trail. Oh
Yeah,
my
very
god.
steep.
Oh my god, we hope we don't fall
Pretty
down.
tough.
The trails, the trails.
Keisha, you know you get in the roll. Anytime she roll out.
Really?
More trails. I guess this makes Linden a very awesome place because of all these exciting nature trails. Very awesome. Kishana is defying all the odds today. I'm very, very, very proud of her.
Alright, you don't.
She's actually running.
A few moments later.
So we're finally at the bottom and we actually have the kayaks that we will be utilizing for this fun part of the adventure. Kayaks, kayaks, kayaks.
We're here.
we're about to do the kayaking part of the trip. Of course, we have lifeguards to keep us safe. Jackets. Our lifeguard. Can you remember we say name again?
Oh, I got one thing. Life jacket.
You think so, turn over,
Listen,
right?
Keisha, no, take it out, keep it.
What? Yeah, you tell me no.
I'm
You
ready to
said
go.
you went.
I'm moving one. Just kidding.
No, I want to think it's wet.
This is supposed to clip, this is supposed to clip. I just make you fit.
You got something?
I'm
Oh.
wrong it.
You're all waiting to kayak. Sam is all ready. Uh-huh. This is lifeguard. What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir? Troy. Making sure that everybody is safe.
No, they got paintball, they got jet ski.
Ski.
We ain't pay for them.
Is the next trip?
Oh.
Jet ski is
Go down. You reverse it.
we have the lifeguard
You reverse it. Now see now you reverse it.
demonstrating
You're looking for no.
how the paddling is being done.
You push your back. And if you want to turn, you paddle on one side alone. Paddle on one side. Likewise, if you paddle forward, you're going to turn on the other side. So it's one side to turn, both sides to go. Can't forget already?
No,
Both
no.
sides to go
Straight.
Both sides to go forward.
exactly, to go straight. And
Yeah.
if you want to turn left,
You paddle on your right.
and if you want to go right,
You paddle on your left.
exactly. And if you want to reverse,
You
you may reverse it.
If you want to reverse, well, you push her backwards, right? Yeah.
Enough people when you tell them reverse and continue paddling forward. Keep there, man.
Oh my gosh. Awesome. Hi. My arms. Build some
Number
muscles.
one,
You number one.
number two.
What look more difficult?
I'm alive!
And well, now we have Cassie. Roll up, Kiona. Shano, finally here. I thought I would have catch you getting too. Kishana, Kishana, like you nearly go overboard or what? Yep. What today? Kiona, Cassie. Yeah. Yeah. Two final ones. And off we go. Yeah. And this is actually running water, which is going to be far more difficult than the Blue Lake. Yeah. So, where is going?
I was going to.
Something in the
The Caracara Creek is just flowing. This is just peaceful.
I like the idea how you get faces looking decent.
Kishana, how is it? What's that mean?
It's alright. It's alright.
Big sis?
Awesome. That's a skinny blast 50 tally.
I've had a great day.
This is Kishana's first ever kind of tour of nature. So she's exhausted, but I'm thinking that she's having an awesome time. Nonetheless, and this will be one of the trip.
Alcohol kind of cure.
Well, we know what is the plan for later. Some alcohol. Hopefully I find two cold shandy somewhere.
In a car?
How, Kiona? Put a smile on her face. Right, alright. Our tour guide is at the back there. I've basically been telling him that he has one of the best jobs. Isn't that so, Troy? Is your job one of the best jobs?
Yeah.
Yeah? What makes it awesome? Tell me what makes it awesome. What? Like?
Make sure people safe
Uh-huh.
and paddling.
Uh-huh.
Troy.
Too much. You get too much.
Try on the spot like that.
Troy is having an awesome time because every time he touches the creek, he plunges in, and every time he goes to the lake, he plunges in. So his job is awesome. He's very shy, but you know, I know he's having an awesome time. Was it? So we're finally at the last leg of the tour, where we're kayaking in the Caracara Creek, and we're taking off bit by bit. Kiona. Gas. Push me off. Thank you. Everything is just calm and awesome. How was the kayaking down the lake?
It's okay.
It was okay, just okay. All right. Lead me, my dear, lead me. This girl is actually having an awesome time.
Yep, she is. She's crawl up.
She just
But I didn't even realize there's a bridge.
ah.
From here and we go fast and pass here.
The queen of all queens. She's being escorted. She is being escorted all the way. She didn't even try by. Oh God.
Try. Why you think she had to end up getting pulled? It's try.
We're actually coming down to the last bit of this expedition.
I have to.
And this is the very end.
Kayaking finished too fast.
And we're all getting a camera ride back. A canter ride back to our vehicles.